2, highest game of the tournament. Oh yeah. All right, other leg. So basically, I can't get lotion on my hands because this lotion's thick, and that would mess up my bowling. So Parker Bohn is gonna.
It might help her bowling after the last couple days.
Maybe it will.
Well,
Thanks.
after yesterday.
I'm getting a good calf massage. Justin, you know why? Because I'm the favorite child.
Put your leg back up there.
Thank you.
What about the other one?
They'll rub in. Okay.
Look kind of ridiculous.
You look ridiculous. Thank you.
I'm done.
Day 4.
Here.
Let's go. If I get one more strike, I basically shot my last game. That's also my first 4-bagger of the entire tournament. So today is a day. Every day has been a day.
But what did we learn in the last 4 frames?
To slow the brain down.
Our brain can't run marathons.
Our brain can't run marathons. Nothing ever good comes from your brain running marathons. Point blank. Alright, so, game 1, 139. Okay. Lowest game of the tournament, right? Game 2, 263. Highest game of the tournament. Oh yeah. We just bowled 238. Maybe that's my 3rd highest. We're feeling good. Envy Tour's in our hands. We love that ball. What's up, Dad?
I think that's pretty stellar.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Thank you. Recapping today's squad, day 4 of qualifying at the Team USA Trials and Tribulations.
Sure.
Had a day, right? I shot 139 my first game. My lowest game of the tournament. Then I shot 168. 268, that's what I meant.
168, Sydney.
In the practice session, I was like, okay, we don't want to win a practice session because every time you strike and you never miss in practice, you bowl bad in competition. I wasn't really lined up for the first game, clearly, to bowl 139. I talked to my coach, Josie from Vanderbilt, and she goes, Sydney, you need to slow your mind down. I'm like, what do you mean by that? She was like, nothing good comes from your mind running, and it's just racing right now. Think about simple things, keep it simple. She said, think about your push away and your first 2 steps. And I thought about that and I bowled 268. Mine can't run a marathon. And it was running the first game because I was panicking. I didn't know what I was doing. It was all bad things. So 268, 238, 238 again. 184, probably one of my best 184 games ever. I don't know what I did in the beginning, but I know in the back half I went strike, ring 10, strike, ring 10. And I was like, my God. And then last game, Brandon's like, Sydney, just bowl 220. Like, come on, get in there. And I bowled 215. So that was my day today. We went from 139 to plus 77 at the end of the day. Good day, way better than yesterday. Yesterday, I beat 10 people. Today, I could have been in the top 10. I wasn't, but it's okay. Takeaway from the day, your mind can't run while you bowl. Nothing good ever comes from your mind running a marathon, okay? So bowling lesson, life lesson, just keep your thoughts simple. Just keep them, under control. And let's hope Brandon has a good day, because the last few days have been no bueno. He can't keep his mind not running because there's just no thoughts in that mind. So, am I right?
Yeah, I feel my brain moving around inside my head right now.
Yeah, but there's nothing in there.
Exactly. So the little ball in my head, it's moving around right now.
What the heck? Okay, we are... I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I've never filmed in the car like this. This is kind of cool. I feel like an actual YouTuber. We are currently driving to
Lake Tahoe.
Lake Tahoe.
Kings Beach.
Kings Beach. We're in California right now. We crossed the border. Justin's in the back, and here's Miranda. So she's our chauffeur because she's from California. Anyways, and Justin's girlfriend. Justin, your camera's gonna die.
Oh no.
I'm gonna take you around the views because it's really pretty. Okay, also we're not watching Brennan's squad, so Brennan, we wish you the best of luck. But sorry, there's only bowling of me today because I'm the better one. Okay, bye!
A trip to the National Bowling Stadium wouldn't be the same without taking a break from the lanes and come and seeing the beautiful sights of Lake Tahoe. There's so much more to life than bowling, and we're so grateful that bowling brings us to the most beautiful places in the country, and it's important to take a little break from the lanes, give yourself a reset, and go enjoy the beautiful sights.
Back at the house. Day 4 is complete. Justin, Sydney, and Mom had a great day, and it wasn't as great as mine, but
I was going to say, your day actually turned out really, really well.
yeah, they decided to take the camera day off, and they decided to go visit Lake Tahoe. They can put a clip in right now.
Well, they may not have seen your bowling, but we know that they were watching it game by game as the scores continued to pop up.
Yeah, Mom would have loved my my bowling today. 60 clean. I had 3 shots under 9. 2 of them were a fill ball. 1 of them came in frame 59. 8 spare. We got it done. 250 over today. Second on the day.
But you know what? You had a really complete day. And when I say this, I really have to resort back to your very first game of the day. You bowled 208 clean, and not that you were upside down or sideways, but you were looking like, I can't believe this is happening again. I just hit the pocket 10 solid shots, and all I've got out of it is 208. Now at the mine, keep in mind, everyone, that there's probably 90 guys that shot over 200. So the scores are really high. There was a 300 the first game, there was 289, so the scores were all over the place.
Well, after 10, 500 for 2 wasn't in the top 10.
Yeah, exactly.
So, I mean, they were super gettable, and I had 420 the first 2.
Right. So, but you were still bowling well, but you had to change balls because when the lanes are that easy, like we tell people all the time when we're given a lesson, if you bring 6 balls into your league and the ball you're using is not striking and everybody else is striking, more than likely 4 of the other balls in your bowling bag will get to the pocket just as well.
And you got to switch something.
You got to switch and turn around, and by all means you did. So you grabbed another ball. The next game, bingo, 275.
Yep,
and that was 6 on the fill ball.
6 on the fill. And then we got it rolling. 238, 259, 254 the last game for 250 over with 24 over after 2. So 1025, 1026 the back 4.
For you, fortunately, you had a really solid day. Like you said, 60 clean, 250 over. Any way you shake it, it's not going to be a bad day on the lanes when you shoot 250 over.
That is true. So second on the day, last day coming up tomorrow, and we'll hope to have another day just like today. But for now, that's it from the Bohn Legacy. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a new video. And
There you
I'm
go.
going to bed.
So,
See
peace
ya.
out.